Over time, my husband has really dialed in how he washes our RV, making the whole process very efficient. Today, we're going to show you how it works, how the water flows through the system, and the equipment he uses. Let's start by looking at the water flow. This diagram shows how everything is connected and how the water is routed during the different stages of the wash process. This is the normal water flow. During the pre-rinse, wash, and the fresh water rinse, the splitters are positioned so water flows directly from the supply to the pressure washer, completely bypassing the CR spotless system. That way, the deionizing resin is only used when it's actually needed. To control the water flow, he uses two heavy-duty brass hose splitters. One is installed at the incoming water supply, and the other is installed on the pressure washer. He added two brass male-to-male adapters to the inlet and outlet on the CR Spotless to connect the leader hoses. Two 10-foot stainless steel leader hoses and one 6-foot leader hose connect the system together. We begin with the water flowing directly to the pressure washer while the CR Spotless system is bypassed. The first step is the pre-rinse. Instead of washing the entire RV at once, he divides it into 4 sections: the cab and front, one side, the rear, and then the other side. He completes all 4 wash steps on one section before moving on to the next, and the entire wash setup moves with him. Next, he applies the RV wash soap using the pressure washer's built-in soap reservoir and washes that same section from the top down. Our particular pressure washer has been discontinued, so we've linked a comparable replacement. As he washes, he's always careful not to use more pressure than necessary on the RV's exterior. After washing, it's time for the fresh water rinse. He rinses away all of the soap using fresh water while the CR Spotless system continues to be bypassed. After the freshwater rinse, now it's time for the spot-free final rinse. Rather than disconnecting any hoses, he simply turns the handles on both brass hose splitters. At the water supply splitter, he closes the path going directly to the pressure washer and opens the path leading to the CR Spotless system. At the pressure washer splitter, he closes the freshwater inlet and opens the connection coming from the CR Spotless system. With both splitters switched, all of the water now flows through the CR Spotless system before reaching the pressure washer. Using deionized water during the final rinse helps prevent water spots, so we can skip drying the RV with towels and simply let it air dry. With that section finished, he rolls the entire connected wash system to the next section and repeats the same 4 steps again. Because everything stays connected throughout the process, moving from section to section only takes a minute. He doesn't have to connect hoses, reconnect fittings, or reconfigure the plumbing each time he moves. We've linked all of the products we use in our RV wash setup.